Sean here, Fat Moose Comics. This video has nothing to do with comics. Go figure. I wanted to show off my new toy. I started, before I became a bass player, I dabbled on the drums back in grade school. Never quite kept up with it. But then years later, I got a drum kit at my house because we were doing rehearsals at my house all the time with my bands. And I was like, I'll get drums. And so I had fun playing the drums on and off. And then when I moved in with Nicole years ago, I had to sell the kit. You know, I'm not bringing a 5-piece Tama Rockstar custom drum kit to a 2-bedroom condo. It's not ideal. So, in the time since then, I've become obsessed with percussion instruments. Little things, shakers, drums, congas, udus. And so here's my new toy. I have to show this off. This, my friends, is a laptop cajon. Cajon. I've heard it both ways. This is by Meinl, M-E-I-N-L. Meinl. Again, I've heard it both ways. So what this is, let's do this here. You get a bass drum. Oh, also you can run it through an amplifier, which is what I'm doing, running it through my little bass amp. So, kick drum, snare drum, and then kind of just a percussion-y. So what you do is which is cool, a lot of fun. But last night I realized I could plug this through an effects pedal and really mess around with it. So I have a little bass multi-effects pedal that I got a few months ago. It is a Dapper Bass, whatever the model number is. It's got like 4 effects, maybe 5. Chorus, octave divider, bass amp simulator, and a dirty Q, which is kind of like, well, you'll hear. I don't use a lot of effects on the bass because who needs them, you know? But I plugged it in just now to mess with it and see what sounds I can get. So here we go. Let's just start with the chorus pedal. Not much of a difference. No biggie. Octave divider, also not much of an effect. So let's see, octave off, octave on, just deepens it a little. Fun one is here, the bass amp simulator. So, turn on the simulator. The cool thing about that is you can hear almost like a brush effect. Whatever. So, but here's, this is interesting. This is the dirty Q. Well, let's try this. Ready? This has a distortion. I haven't even tried this yet. Let's see what happens. Now, let's try this. I'll turn on the bass amp thing with the dirty Q. I have no idea what this is going to sound like. Kind of cool. Not practical. I mean, but cool. So yeah, that's I've got order forms to do. I've got comics to price. I've got a lot of stuff to do, but instead somebody's here. I gotta go. Talk to you later.